In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a game or an app to high performance in Windows 11. So you want to go ahead and find that app or game. So let's say you have the icon on your desktop, or it could be wherever. Right would be at your start. You want to just right click on it. You want to go ahead and click and open the file location. This is going to open up the file location of the exe file, as you can see here on in your file explorer. You want to do the same if you find an app, for example, from start. It could be whatever. Let's say I wanted to do that for Google Chrome. I can go ahead and I can find Chrome. I can right click on it. And as you can see, I have the file location as well. So it doesn't matter where the application is or the game is, we can do the same. So now that you have the file location, just simply right click in address bar and click and copy address. This is going to allow you to copy the address. Now you don't need this anymore. Next, right click on the Windows icon, and from here, you want to click on settings. Within settings, you want to go ahead and click on system, then click on display. Scroll down to where you'll find graphics, click on that. And within the graphics section, if you scroll down, you will see the option to add an app. Now here you can see that I have a bunch of applications that are currently here. So for example, as I showed you for Google Chrome, if I wanted to set this to high performance, I just expand it. And here you will see let Windows decide. Just click the drop down there and set to high performance. Now, if this was, for example, a game, I would do the same. Click and add desktop app. It's going to open up my file explorer. Then add a search here where you have this section. Just click, remove that, click Control V and paste where you have that app. Once I hit enter, I'll be able to find the link to my app. And here I would need to look for the exe file, for example, for Zoom in this case. And as you can see here, I find it. So I would need to click on it and then click on add. It's going to go ahead and add the application for me. And you can see within the list here that I now have Zoom and it's there. And so if I want to set this to high performance, again, you click the drop down, click here where it says let Windows decide and set it to high performance. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. So that's how you can set a game or an app to high performance in Windows 11.